Alright, can you just chug some sparkling water without burping? Mmm. Mmm. Oh God. I did it once at school, I'll do it again. My lungs want the burp, but I'm gonna resist. That was close. It's going up. It's going up. Mm. I'm good. Oh shoot, my body's gonna die. It's all empty. A little bit. Still a little bit of left. There we go. Oh, that was something got it. I almost burped.
I know I have not talked like for a minute.
I know.
For 4 minutes.
Still 4 minutes. This is how long I've been not burping.
4 minutes.
Very surprising. This is a new record. It's been 2 minutes. We're done in school, but
I've been on this video first time. He's been on my channel for a couple times. Can I link my channel in the description? I'll send you the description.
Yeah.
Alright. He's watching YouTube.
Well, not burping.
Well, see what you watch. What are you looking up? No. Full. No burp. What? No. No. Full. No burping. Burp. 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 There's 5 minutes left. You're only gonna make 10-minute videos.
Ah, dang it.
You do have a channel. I can see your logo.
I know.
Don't even talk. Don't even talk.
Oh, God.
You have 6 minutes left. Well,
If I make it to
Couple-
10, this
10
time's
minutes.
over.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. Y'all are 6 minutes in. SCP.
150.
And I'm just gonna watch a regular video.
If I told you this weak, frail, virgin of a man managed to survive 100 days in Project Zombie multiplayer, fuck! To become an
I will play it.
Go to your channel. Down. No, down, 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 down. Up. Up. Over. 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 Down. Your videos. Your videos. You do.
I do.
How, when,
3 months ago.
what's your oldest?
Oh, God.
Six years ago.
19 views.
19 views. I need to check mine. Mine was like a couple years ago. I started doing YouTube in a couple.
Hey, why did I have a video Max Steel? Why? How dumb of a child was I back in the old days?
I was still doing the same thing. Nowadays, you just with no pants on.
Yeah, true.
Focus. Goddamn.
I can't.
No, not you, the camera.
2-3 weeks of cable-free live TV, then get $50 off your first month. YouTube TV.
Wait, are you watching your videos? You good?
Now I'm watching some.
I was about to say, this is your channel. I keep forgetting.
Signs during the battle.
Wait, is he actually in them?
Yes. Spam. Fuck you.
He manages PS5, PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Switch, Wii, 360,
And also Oculus.
Oculus. I got mine over there on my Switch with my stuff. Focus. Thank you. You good? Morgan?
Yeah,
You good?
I'm good.
Are you sure? You have
was
one more
okay.
minute. You have one more minute.
My belly is about to be ready to go, you know.
Mm-hmm. Just keeping yourself distracted.
The people who fail
It's been 10 minutes. You good. You good. You're okay to do it.
the people who fail the challenge, you're weak, you're naive, you're a noob.
You better can play grid tag.
Shut up about grill tag.
And now you demonetized. So, I don't know why you have not burped, but been 10 minutes. This is my first time being on his channel. Hello, I'm Sunny.
Consequences!
I'm just gonna wait here.
Until you hear a burp.
Alright, see you.